Hello guys, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to back Mr. Ahmadin. So today we will describe how to make a cover page with a very simply. So let's get start. So first of all, you have to take a A4 size page. Here is a A4 size page. First of all, you have to click in File, then click in New. Then you can get a dialog box. In here from this boxes, you can select in various types of option. A4 size, A3 size, legal letter, so you can choose anyone. So just I select A4 size, then select OK. Then I can get a more A4 size paper, that's called artboard. Okay, so by using artboard you have to make a cover page. So it's very simply I will do today, not creative. It is just to make some technique. So let's get start. First of all, you need a background. Okay, so A4 size paper, it is a A4 size artboard. So I need a background. So background you can download from YouTube. Sorry, you can download from online. Otherwise you can, if you can select, if you have downloaded already, then you can take one. Okay, then I choose a background. So simple background like this I take it. Okay, just I take it. Okay, I drop it. So it is a scenery. So it is a large scenery. It is a bigger than A4 size. So I have to print system. It is I have to print system. That's why first of all you have to select Windows, then you have to select image text. Then you can find a box. From this box you have to select um, preset. That's why I have to do it, because we have to print it. Cover page, that you have to print system, that's why you have to do it. Highly printable photo you have to select, then you can preview. You must wait some time because it takes some time. Okay, it takes some time, that's why you have to wait for some time. Okay, it's part a small thing. You have to do nothing, you have to just wait for it because it is going to be Victor. Image picture is going is into has turned into Victor, so that's why it takes some time. Okay, it's going to finish maybe. Okay, done. Then you finish, you can you can close it. Okay, then you can see the uh, image text. Okay, done. Then you can click in expand. Okay, then image has turned into Victor. Okay, you can see that it was before in just only image scenery, but now it has turned into the Victor. Okay, so okay, you can hide, so that's how you can do hide. Then control 3, that's you can hide. Then you take a rectangular from a shape around A4 size. Then you can choose any kinds of color. You can fill color unit. So extra color remove. Then I take it because to show white color is not perfect to show you what I am doing now. So unhide, how you can do unhide? Scenery unhide. That's why you have to click from keyboard Alt Shift 3. Okay. Then you have to select all and click in marks. Click in right button. Then select in make clip in marks. Okay. Then you can see a background, just A4 size background. Okay. Then you can take a logo, various types of logo, Prakashoni. So that's why you can select in Google and online. You can take a logo ready-made. So here is a brochure. So Prakashani, you can select one Prakashani logo. So I have already downloaded a logo that is I'm showing you just to drop in your function at your program. So after coming, it is only ZPZ Pixar system logo. Okay, so you have to change it. How you have to change it? That's why first of all you have to select. Then you have to click in image types. In this app, you can see a image types option. Image type, then expand. When you click in expand, then it has turned into the vector system. Okay, so it is a very important, I think, so must you have to memorize. So then I have to click in right button, then I have to do must in ungroup. If you do ungroup, then you can remove the color. Okay, then you press delete from your keyboard. Just you can see your logo with vector system. Okay, you can see the vector system. So you can zoom up and to go you see your logo. Then you can see a white system, then white vector, then you can delete it. Okay, then over sure you can change the color now. Okay, various types of color you have to turn, you have to so fill the color. Then you can see is remove is to color. Okay, then you can see a white, a yellow stroke. Okay, so in this also function you can two color, one pin color, one stroke color. Stroke color, you if you double click in here, then you can see also color. Only white color system you can choose the various types of color. Okay, green color, yellow, cyan color, stroke you can increase, then it will looks very nice, I think. Okay, then you can choose the color. Okay, done. But fill color is not perfect, I think. Oh, okay, now done. So it is a logo, your ready-made logo. You can make a group, then you can fit in now. Setup in. Okay, Avasho Prakashan. So now write something. Now write type something at your cover page. So if you click in T, then Control T from your keyboard. If you click in here, so you can see a option and NSR spoken. Spoken. NSR English spoken is the okay. Now you can write NSR English spoken. Okay, then you can select Ultra Shift. You can draw from a keyboard, so you can keep it now. Then you can choose the color. Also, you can choose the font. Okay, then Shift and Enter. You can shift the font. So you can choose a font. Okay, it is, I think, perfect. Then you can increase your sentences. Okay, then you can choose the color and you can make the stroke. Okay, then make the shadow. So you can type, you can select that effect, and then stylist. You can make a shadow. So how you can use the shadow? Then you have to the select effect, stylist, drop shadow. You can see a drop shadow. Then first of all you have to click preview to see the system. So black you can do, so perfect I think. So you can change the opacity or capacity. 81 offset, you can increase. You can see the under the drop sheet, you can see how to it's going to be changed. Then you can see the layers is going to change. But if you y offset, you can increase or you can decrease. You can system in here. You can also you can change the color. Okay, it's already black color, then you can change the red color like the system is. So black color is perfect I think. So that's why I select black color. Okay, next. Okay, so you can see a wonderful system. Wonderful, you can see you answer English spoken. Okay, so so written book name you can write. So ND Raihan, sorry. So I'm the Raihanuddin, just you can write. So you must change the font or everything. Okay, now write is okay. So you can change the font. Okay, now I am keeping it. So that's why I have to decrease your font size. Then you can take the 80, not 80. You can take only 25. Okay, then you can write it now. You can keep it now. Okay, so now you can see a simple, you can see a simple cover page. Okay, so like the system says, so you can if you follow the system says, um, you can make a cover page very easily. So if you inspire my video, please like and share for next video. So now bye, take care, Allah Hafiz.